Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install our GPS speed limiter. Because so many difference between cars and cars, so I'm here just to teach you how to connect and the installation without the car. Okay, without the car. If you want to find the right wires in the car, please, I recommend you to find a car maintenance to help you, a car maintenance. Okay, go to topic. This is our sample for GPS speed limiter. The first one, do not do not connect to the power first. Okay, do not connect to the power first. Please, first step is to insert your SIM card. Yeah, wait. This is our SIM card. SIM card. Okay, there is a shape. There is a mode shape here. Mode shape here, like this one. So you put it in the middle. So you can install according to this shape. As you can see. And then install the GSM for the SIM to get the signal. Okay, wait. Just put it so that we can get a good signal. Okay. And this one is a GPS. Connect to this port. Okay. And you can stick to some place you want. Like stick it to the mantle place. Okay. After install the device first. Okay, let's check the line. There are 8 wires here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. Okay. 6 line. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. But only 4 of them are useful. 4 of them are useful. This one, the green one, the black one. Wait. The black one. This is the black one. And this one is the red one and the white one. Only 4 of this color line are useful. The black line wire connects to the negative port. The ground line is the ground wire, and the red one is connected to the power supply in the card. Yeah, 12 voltage, and the positive line. And the white wire connects to the ACC. Yes, connects to the ACC. And the last one, the green wire, connects to the fuel pump. Connect to fuel pump to limit the speed. So this one is very important. If you can't find the wire in your card, please find a maintenance to help you. Okay. Okay. And after all the component, are installed well. We connect to the power, and the wires connect well. We connect to the power first. Connect to the power. Look at the voltage here. It's about 12 voltage. This is the negative side, and this is a positive side. Okay, connect well. Power supply. The white and the red one is in the positive side to supply the power, and this one is in the negative side. The port connect to this port. Look at the line. Yes, first the yellow line. Refresh first the yellow line, and then the red line turns on. Yeah, but when the red line is on, not fresh. Okay, when the red line is not flashing, it means that the signal of the SIM card is not good. The signal of the GSM is not good. For more detail about the light, please see the instruction book. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.